You've covered a lot of ground. One additional way to use ChatGPT could be for audience engagement, like crafting personalized responses or community posts. You can also use it for brainstorming collaboration ideas with other creators, or even for scripting ads. It's also great for generating ideas for interactive content, like quizzes or polls. If anything comes to mind later, I'm here to help. You're doing great exploring all these options.
Thank you. This is incredible news. Hey, in this video, we're going to use ChatGPT. We're going to find out how to use ChatGPT for content creation. Let's go. Let's go right to the horse's mouth. Okay. Hey, how you doing?
Hey, Jim. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you?
Pretty good. So I'm actually talking to some people here, and we were talking about what ChatGPT can do to help us with our content creation. Can you give us a list of, let's say, the top 10 things that we can use ChatGPT for?
Absolutely. ChatGPT can be a big help for content creation in several ways. Here are the top 10. 1. Generating video or podcast scripts. 2. Brainstorming creative ideas for new content. 3. Drafting engaging social media posts. 4. Creating SEO-friendly blog content. 5. Coming up with catchy titles and headlines. 6. Outlining video tutorials or courses. 7. Crafting email newsletters. 8. Providing feedback or edits on drafts. 9. Developing content calendars. 10. Researching trending topics or keywords. Do you have any specific area you'd like more help with?
Sure. I mean, can you be a social media manager?
Absolutely. I can help manage social media tasks like planning content, creating posts, engaging with your audience, and analyzing performance. What specific tasks do you need help with?
Well, I'm looking to create video scripts for my video reviews, and my idea was to upload the product link, and I want ChatGPT to check out the link, check out the reviews, see what the pain points are, and give me a short video script review with call to action, making it FOMO so that they want to click the link.
That sounds like a great plan. You can definitely upload the product link and have ChatGPT analyze the reviews to identify common pain points and key features. Then, we can craft a concise video script highlighting those points, emphasizing FOMO, and ending with a strong call to action. Would you like to start with a specific product?
No, but can we set this up as a custom ChatGPT where it would be like a something that could be used by other people?
That's a fantastic idea. You can create a custom GPT tailored to generating video scripts from product reviews. It would be a great tool for other creators as well. If you'd like, I can help guide you through the process of setting it up.
So let's say that I have a Google Sheet that I upload all my products to keep track of everything. Can I set it up with an API, let's say, so that when I upload the link to my Google Sheet, it would automatically trigger ChatGPT to run through and make the video script?
Yes, you can definitely set that up. By using an API integration between Google Sheets and ChatGPT, you can automate the process. When you upload a product link to your Google Sheet, it can trigger a script to send that link to ChatGPT, which will then analyze it and generate a video script. You just need to set up the necessary API connections and automation scripts. Would
And
you like any tips on getting started with that?
what would be the best API to use for that?
For this setup, using the OpenAI API for ChatGPT would be the best choice. You can integrate it with Google Apps Script to automate the process. This way, whenever you update your Google Sheet, it can trigger the script to call the OpenAI API, analyze the product link, and generate your video script. Zapier is another excellent tool to consider. It can connect Google Sheets with various APIs, including OpenAI, making the automation even more straightforward. Would you like a guide on how to set this up?
Well, that sounds great, but we're still going to be exploring some of the ways you could help us with our content creation. Can we also set it up? Maybe it would be too complicated to make a tool that does everything. Maybe we can break it up and have different tools do different things. I also need a thumbnail generator.
That's a great approach. Breaking tasks into specialized tools can streamline your workflow. For a thumbnail generator, you could use a combination of tools like Canva or Adobe Spark, which can be automated via APIs as well. Would you like suggestions on integrating a thumbnail generator or any other specific tools?
So these are not hard to do. Anybody can pretty much do these. You're going to give us step-by-step directions, and even if we're confused, you could break it down to a third grade level for us so that we easily understand and be able to do this.
Absolutely. I can provide step-by-step instructions and break everything down into simple terms. If there's any confusion, I'll make sure it's explained clearly so it's easy to follow along. You'll be able to handle each task step by step, no worries.
What about something for a YouTuber, let's say, that has a live stream, an hour-long live stream? Could ChatGPT go into the live stream and uh, make shorts out of it, short clips?
ChatGPT itself can't directly access live streams, but there are tools and software that can help with that. For example, you could use video editing software with AI capabilities to automatically create short clips from live streams. You can then feed those clips into ChatGPT for generating captions, descriptions, or even script ideas. Would you like some recommendations on specific tools that can do this?
Maybe in a future. Right now, I just had an idea about the media manager thing, and how would you go about managing posts for social media?
To manage social media posts effectively, you can use scheduling tools like Hootsuite or Buffer. These platforms allow you to plan and automate posts across different social media channels. You can also track engagement metrics and optimize your strategy based on performance. ChatGPT can help by generating engaging post content, brainstorming ideas, and suggesting optimal posting times. Would you like help setting up a content calendar or crafting posts?
Maybe in the future. And as far as creating these scripts and these content to be posted, how are you making these? What are you using for templates and or examples? And are they going to go viral? And are you considering what would make them go viral? Maybe adding a hook and call to action. How does that all work?
When creating scripts and content, I use templates and examples tailored to your style and goals. To boost viral potential, adding hooks, engaging openings, and strong calls to action is key. This way, the content grabs attention quickly and encourages viewers to engage. Would you like a template example or tips on crafting hooks?
No, not right now, but I will explore that in the future. Um, my next question about how to use ChatGPT for content creation. Um, with the media manager thing,
Sure. What's your next question about using ChatGPT for content creation and media management?
how far in advance can you plan out this and have content ready? And what exactly would I have to do to get it going?
You can plan content as far in advance as you'd like, weeks or even months. To get started, you'll need to 1. Outline your content calendar with topics and key dates. 2. Prepare any necessary resources like scripts, images, or video clips. 3. Use a scheduling tool to automate posting. ChatGPT can help with brainstorming ideas, drafting content, and even suggesting the best times to post. You just need to provide the initial details and keep track of your calendar. Would you like help setting up a content calendar or any specific advice on planning?
I will in the future. I'm definitely going to explore that as well. As far as content creator that has a YouTube channel. I have an Amazon storefront that I upload product reviews to. I have a YouTube channel that I upload product reviews to. I got TikTok that I upload product reviews to. Facebook and Instagram that I upload product reviews to. But can you analyze a YouTube channel and give advice on how to make it a better channel, how to make it grow and go viral?
Yes, I can analyze YouTube channels and provide advice on growth strategies. By reviewing your content, engagement, and audience insights, I can suggest improvements for titles, thumbnails, and descriptions, as well as ideas for boosting engagement and going viral. If you'd like, I can help you optimize your channel and content strategy. Do you want to dive into specifics?
Yes, I will. We will be doing that soon. My next question is also, and you can do this as well with TikTok and Instagram and Facebook and all the social medias. You can do this.
Yes, absolutely. I can provide insights and strategies for TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and other social platforms as well. Each platform has its unique features and best practices, so I can tailor advice to suit each one to help you grow your presence and engagement. Would you like some specific tips for any of these platforms?
Not right now, but I will in the future. I also,
Sure. Feel free to reach out anytime when you're ready. I'm here to help. Is there anything else you'd like to discuss today?
yes. How do you stay up with current trends and make content that has the potential to go viral?
Staying up with current trends involves consistently monitoring social media platforms, using trend spotting tools, and following influencers in your niche. Tools like Google Trends, social listening software, and platform specific analytics can help you identify what's trending. To create content with viral potential, focus on relatable, shareable topics and incorporate hooks and engaging elements. Would you like some specific strategies or tools to help with this?
No, not at this time, but it's very interesting. Um, Now, so the content, I wouldn't have to create any content. ChatGPT would create the post, the graphic, the video, and set up the links and everything. I wouldn't have to do anything. It would be totally hands off once I set it up.
ChatGPT can create the text content, like post captions, video scripts, and ideas for graphics. However, for creating actual graphics and videos, you'll need to use design tools like Canva or video editing software. Setting up the links and scheduling can be automated with tools like Hootsuite or Buffer. So, while ChatGPT can handle a lot, there would still be some hands on aspects, especially for visuals and automation. Would you like more details on any specific part?
No, but I just had another question about YouTube channels. Could you create a custom GPT that would be, I guess, a manager for a YouTube channel? Um, and to go ahead.
Yes, you can create a custom GPT to act as a manager for a YouTube channel. It can assist with generating video ideas, optimizing video titles, descriptions, and tags, and even providing content strategy tips. It can help analyze performance metrics and suggest improvements. While it won't be able to directly manage uploads or interactions, it can offer guidance and streamline the content creation process. Would
That's
you like to
incredible.
explore setting this up?
That's incredible. I'm definitely going to be setting that up soon in the future. This is so much to digest, and ChatGPT is such a versatile tool. Can do just about anything. Very good information. I'm going to report back to my followers and see if they're interested in any specific topic. Then we're going to explore it further. I'd like to maybe build some of these tools and give them a try. I'm very interested in the integration between Google Sheets and ChatGPT to get video scripts going based on pain points and reviews. And I'm also interested in the YouTube Manager custom ChatGPT. That I'm gonna explore that as well. Okay, but I'm gonna put you on hold right now, and we'll come back to you again in a later date. Okay.
Sounds great, Jim. I'm glad you found the information helpful. Whenever you're ready to dive deeper into any of these topics or need assistance, feel free to reach out. Good luck with everything, and I look forward to hearing about your progress.
Great. Talk to you soon.
Talk to you soon, Jim. Take care.
So that's incredible. Okay, now not only can it create your content, make scripts, be a media manager, handle your. It's also giving me the transcript of the whole thing, so I can go back and read everything that was said. So if in case I forgot something, I can go back and check it out. They're going to manage your YouTube channel. They're going to give you advice. They're going to help you grow. They're going to help you go viral on TikTok. I mean, it's a great tool, but it's a tool, and how you talk to it is how you're going to get the good results out of it. Okay, so we're going to explore that. So subscribe. Don't want to miss any of the future videos, because we're going to be exploring how to use ChatGPT for content creation on all the platforms and everything that it said we can do. We're going to give it a shot. We're going to build some tools, and if you want, I'll let you even try them out. So what do you think about that? Leave me a comment. What do you want to try first?